Hey, we're Production Music Live, and welcome to our new Instant Inspiration course. Do you want to improve your workflow, save time, and beat writer's block once and for all? And do you want to stay open-minded to set yourself apart from the rest? Then this course is for you. Every week, we reach over 2 million producers on Instagram and get very detailed questions every day. That is why we took the best tips and tricks and turned them into this full and in-depth inspirational course. Creativity is a muscle and you can train it. In this course, you will learn how to get inspired instantly. You will get a huge arsenal of tricks against writer's block with project files, recs, and an ebook included. You will also learn how to work smart and cut wasted hours in the studio for good. Benefit from the techniques and tricks of professional producers as if they're sitting side by side with you in the studio. Get instant inspiration now on productionmusiclive.com.